Hello everyone, once again welcome to the Smart service. This is case number 641. This is the review videos after fixing the laptop. Basically, we replaced a panel screen for the customer, and the original one was defective, unable to see anything, unable to see the picture. So we replaced the best screen we got. So yeah, beautiful. And if you're interested for the service, your laptop got any problems, you might need to do the service, please contact us at the Smart service at any branch. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Peace.